Are you looking for an extra way to earn money? Then selling your services as an A/B testing expert could be a great opportunity for you. With the increasing competition in the e-commerce space, businesses need to optimize their websites to improve conversion rates and sales. This is where your expertise can come in. Many e-commerce businesses struggle to convert visitors into customers, resulting in lost revenue. A/B testing is a valuable tool to help identify and optimize website elements that impact conversion rates. However, not all businesses have the time, resources, or expertise to conduct effective testing on their own. As an A/B testing expert, you can offer your services to these businesses to help them optimize their websites and increase their website's performance and conversion rates. Mostly it means comparing two different versions of a web page or app against each other. You can help them with tasks such as identifying the best testing tools, designing headline, button, or image and conducting tests, and analyzing results to make data-driven decisions. You can also offer ongoing support and consultation to help businesses continue to optimize their website over time. According to statistics, the success rate of those who start to specialize in A/B testing is about 20%, and it is increasing due to the growing demand for their services. As an expert, you can earn an average of $80,000 per year, with top earners making over $120,000. To become an A/B testing expert, you'll need a strong background in e-commerce, analytics, and user experience design. This can be gained through formal education, such as a degree in marketing or statistics, or through hands-on experience in a related field. You'll also need to be familiar with A/B testing tools and software, such as Google Optimize, Optimizely, or Visual Website Optimizer. To build your skills and portfolio, it is advised to visit online courses on Fiverr Learn and consider working on personal projects on VWO. Hurry up and start learning by doing. As a testing expert, you can enjoy several benefits, including the ability to work from home or anywhere with an internet connection, a flexible schedule, and the opportunity to work with a variety of clients across different industries. You can also continuously learn and expand your skill set as new technologies and techniques emerge. If you have the skills and knowledge to become an A/B testing expert, don't wait any longer to start earning money. Reach out to businesses in need of your services or offer your services on freelance platforms such as Fiverr. Check out the video description for useful resources to help you get started.